CRCL Stock Analysis and Price Predictions for tomorrow, Thursday. Is it a buy? We'll watch this 2-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in the space with 49,000 live trades and analysis videos over the last 5 years, so here's what's working for me. I mean, one thing that I wanted to say even in the previous video is that, that I said already was that I was bearish. You can see the line pointing towards the downside. With the updated version of this is just that we made new lower lows. I mean, the likelihood that we just keep making new lower lows is still pretty huge. All that to say, even if I come here with CRCL, you can see I have 58 receipts in the Discord. This is going to be nothing but just like a simple bearish market for me. I mean, that's how things are looking like right now. I'm not saying this is like a forever thing, but for right now, this is like one heck of a bearish market. And unless I see a crazy catalyst or some good breaks, even just above $85, then this is just still a bearish market for me. And I'll still keep it that way. Like, because a lot of people just completely get involved into the weeds, you know, they just try and overcomplicate stuff. I'm much rather just stick to my 19 tickers in my personal watch list and symbols. So yeah, either way, if you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy that I've refined over the last 5 years completely free, link is in the description. Bye bye.